This is a ride in Chichibu, Saitama. The route starts at Nagatoro Gorge, heads up through the forest roads, and then down along the Komori and Arakawa rivers to the Futase Dam, and then up the really brutal climb to Mitsumine Shrine. It's a really old shrine here. Really nice carvings on it. I don't know if you can see that properly. Like a whole bunch of people playing instruments. Really, really nice. Pretty cool. Dragon up the top there as well. I wonder what this guy is photographing. The roads through the window, or the forest roads, were excellent. Almost no cars, very quiet, some beautiful ryokan along the way as well. We just cycled through that, right the way through the middle of that forest. That was really cool. I really enjoyed that. This sign is pretty funny. It's saying grape thieves beware, and that if you do steal any of the grapes from here, you're going to be caught on camera. So I wonder how often you get grape thieves in the middle of the forest like this. Interesting. But that's been here a pretty long time. Pretty nice up here. All these cool little tiny villages along the route. Really, really nice. The quality of the roads in Japan always surprised me. Even deep into the mountains here. It's like a snooker table. So well built.
Used to look so pretty, now making me moody. In the deep woods, alone with my feels, spend too much time thinking. In the end, you'll be with me. Maybe I'm just getting it now.
This is the walk down to the waterfall. It's really slippy. This is a bit off the cycling path and away from the main roads, but spectacular down here. Really hidden away. Nearly fallen over about 25 times. That's what I came to see. The waterfall. It's pretty nice.
Try to succeed with the stuff I do, melodies and rhythm, like paying the bills with them. Get emotional, deeper and all, want to make a mark with them, so I'll not be forgotten.
Quick food stop at Lawson. Get these things called Karaage-kun. These are the spicy ones. These are so good. They're like little chicken nuggets with spicy flavor. old-fashioned or really old shrine here. Ryota Jinja. This is really old. Really, really old. Really nice as well. It's pretty terrifying on a harness over the riverbed, which is about, I'd say, 70 meters below. Wow, don't think I could do that, be too afraid. And these guys over there doing a swing. Oh my God. Nice.
Beautiful miso karage. Some of the best karage I've ever had. Kind of like Indian tandoori, and not camp, like the way that they cook it.
Yeah. That is good. Really juicy as well, right? It's absolutely stunning up here. Still got about 350 meters of climbing left. I'm currently at 650 meters, so quite a lot to go still. There's still 2.2k to go. Currently at 1,000, almost 1,000 meters. It's been raining a lot, so I didn't get to record very much, but yeah, these last 2.2 kilometers are going to be a killer. Anyway, on we go. I made it. Mitsumine. Whoa, that was a big ass climb. That was really big. About 1,090 meters up here. I'm going to be so glad to see my car. Oh, that was good. Woo woo!
At the top of the climb, there's a huge shrine complex called Mitsumine. I'll make a video about it in the future. The shrines are great, and there's also an awesome hike you can do as well that takes about 2.5 hours to the summit.